Dawn breaks over the Badshahi Mosque, its white marble domes catching the first rays of sunlight. The Muezzin's call floats across the ancient city, mixing with the sounds of Lahore awakening to another day. Here, in Pakistan's cultural capital, every morning continues a story that has unfolded for centuries, where tradition and progress dance in eternal harmony. The Wazir Khan Mosque's intricate frescoes glow in the morning light, their colors as vibrant as when they were first painted centuries ago. Art students sketch these timeless designs on digital tablets, while conservation experts use advanced imaging technology to preserve every detail. Each brushstroke tells stories of artistic heritage finding new life in modern hands. In the narrow lanes of the walled city, the aroma of fresh naan kulcha mingles with brewing tea. Master bakers shape dough with movements perfected over generations, while their shops now accept digital payments through mobile apps. Through social media, the world discovers these ancient flavors, as food bloggers share Lahore's culinary heritage with global audiences. The Delhi Gate Bazaar comes alive as craftsmen open their workshops. In centuries-old buildings, jewelers combine traditional designs with computer-aided modeling. Their creations blend timeless aesthetics with contemporary style, each piece bridging generations of artistic excellence with modern preferences. At the historic National College of Arts, students work in studios where artistic traditions evolve. Traditional miniature painters use age-old techniques while incorporating contemporary themes. In digital labs, young artists create animations inspired by classical motifs. Every artwork here represents the seamless blend of heritage and innovation. The famous food street in Gawamadi transforms as morning progresses. Generations-old recipes meet modern food safety standards, while traditional cooking methods adapt to sustainable practices. Master chefs prepare historic dishes while their apprentices document ancient techniques through digital archives. Inside the Lahore Fort, modern conservation techniques protect centuries of architectural brilliance. Specialists use 3D scanning to map intricate marble inlays while traditional craftsmen restore them using ancient methods. Every preserved motif bridges past and future, keeping palace stories alive for coming generations. The bustling Liberty Market showcases Lahore's evolution as a fashion hub. Traditional embroiderers work alongside modern designers, creating pieces that honor cultural heritage while embracing contemporary style. Each boutique represents the city's ability to remain culturally authentic while meeting global trends. At the Lahore Technology Park, startups develop apps that connect artisans with international markets. Young entrepreneurs create platforms preserving traditional crafts while opening new economic opportunities. Their work proves how digital innovation can strengthen cultural heritage rather than replace it. The famous Park Tea House has reopened its doors to new generations of intellectuals. Writers and poets gather as they have for decades, now with laptops alongside traditional notebooks. Literary discussions flow seamlessly between Urdu and English, while social media carries these conversations beyond cafe walls. In Anarkali Bazaar, traditional perfume makers blend ancient scents using methods passed down through generations. Their shops now ship these timeless fragrances worldwide, while modern marketing helps new audiences discover traditional attar. Each bottle carries the essence of Lahore's heritage to distant shores. The majestic Shalimar Gardens demonstrate how ancient wisdom meets modern conservation. Traditional waterworks still function as they did in Mughal times, while smart irrigation systems help maintain historic plants. Every flower here blooms as a testament to the marriage of traditional knowledge and contemporary care. At Government College University, students study quantum physics in historic halls where Allama Iqbal once walked. Modern laboratories occupy colonial-era buildings, while research combines international standards with local innovation. Each graduate carries forward both academic excellence and cultural heritage. The Royal Kitchen in Lahore Fort hosts culinary workshops where traditional recipes find modern documentation. Master chefs share centuries-old techniques while nutritionists analyze historic dishes' health benefits. Every lesson helps preserve Pakistan's culinary heritage for future generations. As afternoon light filters through ancient trees, the Lahore Museum showcases how technology enhances historical preservation. Interactive displays bring artifacts to life, while traditional curators share stories that connect past to present. Each exhibit demonstrates how modern methods can deepen our connection to heritage. The famous gharanas of Lahore adapt to changing times while preserving classical music's soul. Master musicians teach ancient ragas through video calls, while recording studios capture traditional performances with digital precision. Every note carries forward an unbroken chain of musical heritage. In the workshops of Androon Sher, traditional calligraphers create timeless beauty. Their ancient art finds new admirers through social media, while their designs inspire modern typography. Each stroke preserves cultural aesthetics while speaking to contemporary sensibilities. The Alhambra Arts Council pulses with creative energy as traditional performances meet modern production. Classical dancers perform centuries-old movements on stages equipped with latest technology. Their art reaches global audiences through streaming platforms while maintaining its cultural authenticity. Along Mall Road, colonial architecture houses modern businesses. Historic buildings find new purpose while maintaining their character, as traditional craftsmanship meets contemporary function. Each restored facade tells stories of adaptation and preservation. At the Lahore Literary Festival, ancient storytelling traditions embrace digital platforms. Writers switch effortlessly between cultural heritage and modern narratives, while podcasters share Lahore's stories with the world. Every voice here helps weave tradition into contemporary expression. The city's famous gardens demonstrate sustainable urban development that honors heritage. Solar-powered lighting illuminates historic paths, while smart systems monitor ancient trees' health. Traditional gardeners share their wisdom with environmental scientists, creating green spaces that bridge centuries. As evening approaches, the famous Gawamadi food street comes alive with timeless flavors. Traditional kebab makers tend their grills while food delivery apps carry their creations across the city. Each dish represents Lahore's ability to preserve authentic taste while embracing modern convenience. The historic Lahore railway station blends Victorian architecture with modern efficiency. Under its historic clock, passengers check smartphones while century-old architectural details watch from above. Every arrival and departure connects Lahore's heritage with its dynamic present. Night falls over the city, but the stories continue. In modern cafes housed in restored Havelis, young artists sketch on tablets while discussing traditional aesthetics. Music from centuries-old instruments fills recording studios, while social media carries Lahore's cultural voice across the globe. The stars emerge above minarets and modern towers, their eternal light touching both ancient domes and contemporary spires. In homes across the city, families gather as they have for generations, while video calls connect them with loved ones worldwide. Every evening weaves new threads into Lahore's timeless tapestry. This is Lahore, where every street holds both memories and dreams, where traditional arts find new expression, and where cultural wisdom guides modern growth. In these lanes, the future rises as gracefully as historic minarets while staying as grounded as the ancient stones themselves. As night deepens, the last lights twinkle in city windows. The breeze carries fragrances of jasmine and history through lanes now lit by LED lamps. Tomorrow will bring another dawn, another day of tradition meeting innovation, another chapter in the endless story of this magnificent city. For here in Pakistan's cultural heart, every moment is a bridge between epochs, every craft carries centuries of refinement, and every innovation grows from wisdom as deep as the city's roots themselves. This is where past and future meet, where tradition doesn't just survive but thrives, and where the eternal spirit of Lahore keeps watch over it all. The city night cradles dreams both ancient and new, while historic walls guard their secrets. And in countless homes across this mystic metropolis, people rest and prepare for another day of writing their chapter in Lahore's endless story, a tale of tradition, innovation, and the timeless spirit of adaptation that makes this city not just survive, but thrive in our ever-changing world. End of script.